Today, I'll walk you through how to share an Airtable table view with anyone using a shareable link. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Airtable. Once the page loads, click the Login button and sign into your account. After you're in, navigate to the workspace that contains the base you want to share. Then open that base. Inside the base, you'll see all of your tables listed along the top or left side. Select the specific table you want to share with others. Now, look at the top of that table for a drop-down menu that likely says the name of your current view, like Grid View or Calendar. Click that View drop-down. From here, you can choose an existing view that's already set up the way you want, or you can create a new view from scratch. I strongly recommend you share a view instead of the entire table. This is the key to keeping sensitive data safe. Once you've selected or created the view, click the Share View button, which may also be labeled Share and Sync depending on your Airtable version. A sharing panel will open. If you want anyone with the link to access this view without needing an Airtable account, toggle on the option that says Share Publicly. This generates a public link, but don't worry, you control exactly what's visible. Before copying the link, double-check that your view has any necessary filters applied so only the right records show up. Also, hide any fields or columns you don't want viewers to see. You can do this by clicking the Field menu and selecting Hide Field. This step alone prevents accidental oversharing of confidential information. When everything looks good, copy the shareable link from that panel. Now you can send that link directly to the people who need it, whether that's via email, a messaging app, or embedded in a document. Finally, it's wise to confirm for yourself that the shared view displays only the intended data by opening the link in a private browser window. If anything looks off, just adjust the filters or hidden fields before anyone else clicks the link. There you have it. You've successfully shared a controlled, filtered Airtable view without exposing your full table. Remember, you can disable that shareable link anytime by toggling off public access in the same share panel, so you're always in control. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.